Morning.
Good morning, Kofi.
Okay. Bushafo nyina hoye.
Obia hoye adomuti.
Na Subin ekose.
Subin de who will be my fantasy free.
Ade.
So can Subin in terms of NPP.
Yeah.
Then I will tell you say it's ground zero.
Ground
Subin,
zero.
Yeah, ground zero.
Ade.
Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening in Subin as far as the structure of NPP is concerned.
Ade.
Polling stations, polling stations are not meeting. Even police station executives, you know, they don't even know each other. Say, if you be a chairman or police station where we need the phone, I can't home 5 no, we need more. If we say, Ubi, I and I say, or she send a Juma. No side in West Yakunya, so said, oh, yeah, 2020 now. And San Echo, there should be nothing goes on there. But thank God, some people like myself, yeah, share MSB and say pro entity. And yes, you can home. Some men can say, me were fan club or electoral area be a JB Danquah fan club. I meet Juma, a boy, Juma boy, Mantemo. And Chebia, you clean up the whole constituency.
Okay.
At the proper ha, ye bois, nipa him kakra, your boy kunafo, your boy who so, Bunya son ye whom the Maya who ye one more ye true. Ye person mechanical radios by one more ye to the boy who said the bear will keep the fire burning. Now we keep the spirit alive, so Subin will not die. Because me Subin ya woman. Etiti me mamenyi minim de Subin ayama me and I said you nyame adom ti ma ko nkrofo krus ma ko hu said ye kofo eye omukru said omudi omukrofo anim e de develop omukru no momentum enti say manya sa anim de manya sa antete no na me wo sa odo we ma me mantem we Subin me tira won hwe say party bi enye nti me so menye enti me de me ye kakra bi a metumi
Dear Nana more expecting was Subin Monsenyanka in terms of party development, everything.
Say, because the structure of the party itself is not working. Subin, it's not working.
Now, some more constituency chairman,
and because it is dead.
Or secretary,
it is dead.
I don't know.
Because yes, say, yeah, two or second to last year, beginning of the year, last year. Once the time the party begins building up the structures.
Yeah.
You took polling station elections. You have to coordinators. You have to constituency. And some regional and national.
Yeah.
Subin yanto. Yanto.
Jerena mudiminya
koto national. Anybody who was perceived to be a JB Danquah supporter, no. Ye in a film. Nipa close to 500. You in a film. As some don't even vote in Subin. Eduma polling station executives and the structures are not working and one person will be who is a delegate maybe or aspiration may so be contest here who sanko for no makasa
why na yes
who else the chairman and his people and the MP they control their constituency and they are doing that.
What was chairman your friend say?
I do say Bunsu
chairman do say
yes
on one that's also
they're doing nothing in the constituency and I hope say national level, they know what is going on here. And the party is dead in Subin.
And I'm MP.
Subin for the NPP.